Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can undo or redo action on your Pixlr Photo Editor. So first you have to open up your Pixlr Photo Editor, and if you want to undo some action on your editor, then click on the history panel you are seeing on the right hand. Once you click on that, here you will see all of your action history. So if I just click on any previous action like add image, here you can see it is the undo action. And if you want to redo or use the undo, then I can show you. If I just draw some lines like this, so I can just click on the add image option. So now as you can see, it is the undo action. And if I just again click on the draw, which is the redo action, and this is how you can undo or redo actions on your Pixlr Photo Editor. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.